Hey there, my friends. Kirkshinta Turner C here. Welcome to another Infinity Processing System review video. In today's affiliate marketing training, I'm going to be going over how to get started with Infinity Processing System and make money in 2022. Really, what you need to know to get started as a member making money with this system. So, before I jump in today's training, I wanted to say that if you're looking for a way, if you're looking for a way to get an online business, or you're already in affiliate marketing, you're looking for a way to get more leads and close more sales and make $300 commissions, the simple website right underneath this video has been helping myself and others do that with no monthly fees. And the training is simple and solid. It's from a multiple six-figure earner who provides her exact blueprint. So if you want to learn more about that, right underneath this video. Before I jump into today's training, I do want to show some proof that our members are getting the results that I'm going to be sharing in today's training, and that they're actually using these strategies. So I'm going to take you over and just show you some proof, some recent proof of some of our members that they're getting. And I also want to take opportunity to show you and welcome my newest member. I had a sale come in on autopilot from my content that I put out there, mostly my YouTube free advertising strategies that I use, which you can also learn in the IPS membership area. So let's go over and just look at some proof quickly. I pulled some of these proof from our lovely proof group that we have for our members. I just wanted you to see that our members are getting results actually using the strategies. So we have a member here, Darius, who earned a $300 commission and is now positioned to make unlimited $300 commissions. And he said, another $300 commission came in while on daddy duty. This business is doing numbers. Get back to the person who invited you ASAP. And that's how I felt when mine came in on Saturday on autopilot. And that's really what it is teaching you how to use social media, how to leverage a simple funnel and put yourself in position where you can get paid without always having to be without always having to be working. This is what really understand how to leverage social media and get leads and sales and make great commissions at the same time. So then we have here Joanne is oh Lord, Joanne is made an unlimited $50 commission from Edigwe. I know I'm gonna say that name so long. Who picked up the $50 training package? So congrats to those members, and I think I'm a third one. So let me see. And then we had another member who received a $300 commission that came in. So these are great commissions to be able to earn those types of commissions. I do want to show you what came in on Saturday, and then we're going to jump into these little talking points. All right. So on Saturday, I think that was Saturday, yeah, the 29th, at 12:49 noon, I was definitely out with my mom getting stuff done. I had a $300 commission coming from Ron. So welcome, Ron, to the IPS family. And that commission came in through Stripe, through one of my funnels that is in my YouTube video. Again, using the strategies that are in the IPS membership area. You do not have to do YouTube. It's just one of the strategies that I use, and that is also provided to us in the membership area. So I quickly wanted to point out what you get access to when you decide to join the IPS membership area. So when you decide that this is a product that you're going to pick up, that you're going to learn from, you're going to learn how to position yourself to make money leveraging free social media, free advertising methods, right? You're going to get coaching from a multiple six-figure earner who you see right here, Adriana. And what is going to happen is right here in the membership area, she walks you through step by step how to get set up. You see step one, she tells you to join both of these groups. She walks you through very methodically, step by step, how to get set up, how to get your website set up, all of that. Okay. So that's pretty much that. Anytime that Adriana learned something new that she wants you to know so that you could apply it to your marketing strategy, you're going to find that in the Facebook coaching group, which you have access to. You can always get support in that group. Okay. So the other thing that I want to kind of point out is that you get a website. Let me see if I can pull up my website. You get a website that does all the explaining for you. It introduces you. It explains how everything works. It explains the packages. and it has buttons where people can buy from you instantly, right? So this is how this works. It really puts you in position to really have a business that works for you. That website does all the explaining for you, provides all the proof that you need, and this is beginner friendly. We have so many beginners that are coming out of the box, applying these strategies, getting results, and making commissions that they want to earn. Okay, so if you're a person who you can follow directions, right? The membership area gives you guidance step by step. It shows you how to get set up. It shows you what to do when people reach out and ask for information. It walks you through. It gives you pre-written ads that out of the box you can begin marketing. And then what you want to do is you kind of want to just pick one of these strategies that you are going to beast for the next 30 to 90 days, right? For me, as a beginner, I'm a fan of YouTube and Facebook, and that's that. So you could, but if you want to do TikTok or Instagram or whatever, then you could do that. But I would pick one or two of these, and that's what you're going to focus on, beasting and marketing. And she gives you step-by-step guidance on how to leverage those platforms to be able to do that pretty simply. Okay, so I don't know what this thing is that keeps popping up on my screen, but anyways, there's 3 membership levels that you can join at: starter level, elite level, and pro. If you join at pro, you get access to the 2 membership levels that are beneath. So you position yourself where you want to earn. Most people that partner with me or partner within our program want to earn at the pro level. They want to earn those $300 commissions, but then there's also starter and elite. So check out the link beneath this video. It will allow you to see what is included in each membership package. Of course, you get the most training and the most digital products when you join the pro level, and you can earn the best commissions too. I wasn't saying nothing, but let's talk about how to get started if you're a brand new member and you're joining Infinity Processing System. The first thing that you need to do is to understand what Infinity Processing System is as a product. It's going to help you, and it's going to help you be able to really help other people understand the value of Infinity Processing System. The first thing to understand is that really what the product is it's for anyone who's been struggling to get sales, leads, traffic, anything like that. This is a digital product that can help you with that. Or anyone who wants to learn how to master organic traffic. So the digital products on the inside, again, these mini courses that are in here, or I would say mini step-by-step instruction that are over here, are designed to teach you how to master lead generation and closing sales. Okay. Once you understand that, I don't care what you promote online, you could be promoting old funky socks. And if you understand that, understand how to generate leads and close sales, you will always make money. So that's the beauty of um, Infinity Processing System. It's a very valuable product that you could take pride in promoting. The other thing to know is that, like, I see a lot of comparable courses out there that are going for 3 and 4 or 5 times and don't even offer half of the value of what this offers. So this is, again, a very valuable product. But let's talk about what you should do when you get started as an Infinity Processing System. The first thing to know is that in your back office, um, when you come over here, I'm not going to click on it because I don't feel like blurring out things. I just don't feel like doing that, and I want to protect the what's in the digital product. What is going on with my screen? But anyways, when you come over here, it's going to say, you know, what to say when someone asks you for information. And there's also going to be, let me see if I can move this back over. So you're going to click on what to do, what to say when someone asks you for information. And you're going to be able to find the links that you'll provide to people when they buy. What? Hold on one second, guys. I don't know what's going on. Technology is doing too much. But anyways, you're going to find what to say when people reach out or they comment that they want more information, and you're going to know exactly how to deliver the product to people when they buy, like which link you're supposed to give to them. So you want to know that, okay? Each membership level, so pro, starter, and elite, has a different membership link, and you will find that there so that you could give it to that person when they order from you from your website. Okay. Here are your basic steps to get started as an IPS member. The first thing is you want to watch this video here from the creator, Adriana, where she's going to welcome you, and she's going to tell you what you need to do step by step to get started, to get up and started. Okay. Um, So that is that. You definitely want to pay attention to that. The next thing that you want to do is I personally send a welcome email to all of my IPS members, and I give them my exact strategies that have allowed me to make well over almost $5,000 at this point with this system passively. So I share with my members my strategies. And I feel like with this product, you don't need any bonus at all. But I give it to them so that they understand what I have done to leverage this system and to be able to do that. So check out my bonus strategies. I would say that's step number 2. So step number 1 is watch the welcome video from Adrienne. Step number 2, check out my bonus strategies. Step number 3 is to consume and apply the strategies that are in the IPS digital membership package. Okay. So go ahead and do that. You don't need to like right away, like sit here all day and consume all the things. What I would do is watch this and get started, work on getting your sales funnel set up. You could get that set up in like a day. And then from there, pick one strategy, whether it's going to be Facebook, like how are you going to market Facebook, Craigslist, YouTube, TikTok, pick 1 or 2 ways, and immediately you're going to start applying the strategies that she's talking about on those platforms. And it's literally that simple. You could, in your first week, begin to generate leads and sales, okay, by applying the strategy. The piece of advice that I have getting started as a new member is just to remember that what's going to produce you the most sales and results in your business is just how consistent you are. I know that when I'm not consistent, my sales are not consistent, right? When I'm consistent, my sales are consistent, right? So that is the key to, a lot of people think that there's some magic with affiliate marketing, but a lot of it is like people are not consistent and they're not focused. It's like, oh, okay, I see this other thing. Now I'm gonna promote that, or I'm gonna do this, or I'm gonna do that, and they're just not focused. And those are the things that keep you from being able to make money in your online business. So, what produces results is going to be your consistency, how well you take daily action, pick a way to get traffic, and be consistent with that method. And that's really the secret sauce. Okay. Now, once someone joins you and they pay you for the package, you're going to follow the digital instructions that are up here where it says what to do when when they ask for information. Follow that, and then you'll know how to deliver them their website and stuff like that. And that's pretty much that. Understand that this system is going to teach you a way to build up your cash flow, how to market online, and that's really what IPS is going to teach you. The last thing that I want to do is I just want to quickly summarize the benefits to you if you're thinking about joining IPS. Understand that you're going to get access to a 6-figure blueprint. You're not going to have to watch a million YouTube videos and try to figure out how to market by watching a million videos, which is time, it's costing you time, and ultimately it's costing you money, right? So every day you're not making money is costing you money, right? So by having a multiple six-figure earner cut your learning curve and really give you the no frills like sauce, get straight to the point and tell you what you need to know in a way that's easily consumable by a beginner, that is the key. Other benefit is that there's no monthly fees ever with this. So once you join this, you have a digital product that over and over again, rinse and repeat. You can make unlimited commissions with that and never have to pay out of pocket. So you could become in profit mode sooner than later. The next thing is that there's no pass ups. It's a very simple commission structure. There's 100% commissions. All right. So if you are looking for the formula to earn $300 days, earn $300 commissions, unlimited over and over and over again, with only about 1 hour work daily, click the link beneath this video to learn more about Infinity Processing System and to position yourself to learn how to master social media to get unlimited traffic, leads, and sales from this social media blueprint. Okay, so this has helped me in affiliate marketing. I know it can help so many other people. I look forward to welcoming you to IPS. I'll see you on the inside. Bye, guys.